flower, we are not only embracing its beauty and elegance. And just like a flower, I am standing here tonight as a woman who wants to give support that sustain lives. Ladies and gentlemen, I have stood here before, and I had a choice to stay comfortable with what I achieved or to challenge myself to become better. And I chose to come back, not to seek validation, but because I know in myself that I am capable of doing more for my community. And this time, I have understood that this is not a one-man battle. I carry with me the hopes and dreams of our farmers. And with this, I bring with me my advocacy as my contribution to our community to promote financial literacy to our farmers and solo parents.